two successful championship with masters and challengers in last round, round number 13 in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2026. So it means without masters, between Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbek Abdusattorov faces versus India Grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi. So it means Norderbek was excellent with playing as black. And next challengers between Grandmaster 15 years old in USA is Andy Woodward versus Grandmaster in Netherlands is Erwin Al-Ami. So it means, so what do you think about the challengers' brilliant, strong sacrifice? So what do you think about the studies of these games with the last round, round number 13? So let's study of these chess games here. White pieces with the Erigaisi versus black pieces in Norderbek up to Satorov. So it means, so two games analyzed. So it means first master first. So after masters, next proceed second game by challengers. So 2 hours of this long game with round robins, with final round with last round without standings after round number 13 in Tata Steel Chess 2026 finale. So white plays Erigaisi is e4, e5 up 2, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5. So it is called Yokopiano. So it means Yokopiasinimo variation. So after bishop c5 with Abdu is Erigaisi move b4 sacrifice. It is called by with Yokopiano game Evans Gambit. So this is a sacrifice with threatening the bishop. So this is the main lines here with two types here. With first is pawn to d3 with defense of this e4, second by c3. So this is a two types of main lines here with variation. So it means with third by main lines here with pawn b4 Evans Gambit here. So this is a threats the bishop here, and bishop captured accepted sacrifice and c3. So c3 is threatening the bishop here, and also bishop backwards a5, and also pawn d4 without threatening the pawns, or maybe without pawns with threats the pawns, or maybe here by push d5 without threatening the knights here, or maybe by upcoming by next playing castling kingside. So it is called by this one with openings is Yokopiano games, Evans accepted, Bronstein, Torta Tower attacks here. So this is a Torta Tower attacks with guard towers here. And also with pawn d6 with Abdu with an upcoming by with next bishop g4. With a next bishop g4, or maybe here by next by knight f6 with upcoming by castling here. And also queen b3 with Erigaisi with a more pressures here with bishop behind the queens, or bishop threatening the pawns with check with kings here. And also with Abdu is bishop d7. So I will explain for examples here. Why don't we move if you queen e7 here? It is okay by defense here. And also push d5 threatening the knight. So if you choose, if you knight d4 or maybe go back here, so need more first go back is knight go back here, knight b8, and also queen a4 check. So with a check with kings, bishop traps here. So another, if you move, I will choose by knight d4. So it means knight d4. So it means the pawns cannot captured with knights. This is a bishop here with pins with check here. And also knight captured here, knight captured d4. So if you capture this one with e takes d4, so it means how do you do moves is queen a4 with check. So it means this is a bishop traps. So this is the idea with best is symbolize castling first. So castling kingside is a first here. So this is a good examples once of this computer. So another, I will move by queen a4. Yay, I'm a winner. So it means but not yet done is king to d8. If you king d8, if you queen captured here, so it means one piece down here, queen captured bishop, and also queen captured pawn with check. So if you check here, so it means without queens threatening the pawns with pins with rooks, because this is a queens with check here. And for me, with that idea with king f1, and also with pawn to d3 here. So this is a strong move with blocks. So if you knight if you knight d2 with threatening the queens here, and also with queen e2 with check. So if you king g1, and also queen e1 check, and also knight shield with f1, and also pawn d2. So this is a strong move with threatening the bishop here. So it means if you bishop captured pawn, so it means queen captured rook. So one piece down here. So this is a once of this computer engine here. So this is a good examples. Okay, so back there, this one with moves is queen d7 with up 2 here, and also simplified castling kingside with Erigaisi, and also bishop backwards b6 with up to Satarov here, and also knight bd2 with Erigaisi, and also with knight a5 with Abdu, without idea with double attacks with bishop and queen. So this is a double attacks here. So I will explain, for example, why don't we capture it here? If you e takes d4 here, and also captured by c takes d4. So if you knight captured here, if you knight captured d4 without threatening the queens here, that means threatening the queens, and also knight captured here. Knight takes d4. If you bishop captured knights, we threats the rooks here. We're threatening the rooks, and also rook b1. Without queens behind the rooks here, and also moved by knight f6 here. So knight f6 here. So if you knight f3 here, with threatening the bishop here, and also with backwards bishop b6 here. So if you pawn e5 with threatening the knights here, and also capture this pawn, and also knight captured. So this is 8 knights threats the queens, and also bishop captured with more controls with check. So this is a good examples once of this computer here. Okay, so back there, this one with movement with up to Saturov is knight a5. So this is a more threats with queens and bishop, double attacks here. And also queen c2 with Erigaisi, backwards ignorance by avoided, and also knight captured bishop, knight takes without threatening the with disturbance with bishop eliminates here. And also queen c6 with Abdu without idea with threatening the free knights here. So without threats the knights, and also knight captured bishop takes. Why? Because this is a ugliness pawn structure with doubles here. And also captured good move with Erigaisi takes, and also knight captured with threatening the disturbance the queens here. So this is a threat here by queens. And also queen e6 without idea attacks the knights, and also pawn f4. So this is a new move novelty with Erigaisi here. So this is the old main knights by according with the year of 2001 is knight go back f3 here. So knight go back f3 is a once of this database in the year of 2001 by throwbacks. I thought with 4 years old, my childhood, so it means, so I didn't remember with 2001 with knight f3 here. So this is a 2001 because I'm a child with 5 years old. So 5 years old in my child in kinder, when I was in kinder here. I thought I didn't remember my chess because I'm a child by 5 years old with flashback. So it means, so the new move, so it means with back there is one is f4. So this is a new move with a year of this today is 2026. So 2026 here. So 2026 is a new move with f4 here. And also knight f6 with Abdu without controls here, without upcoming by next castling. So next castling kingside here, and also pawn c4. Oh, without pawn c4, without idea with next dark square bishop b2. So next of this bishop b2 here. And also symbolize castling kingside with Abdu, bishop b2 good move without defense the knights, and also queen e7 with more controls pressures here, and also pawn a4 with Erigaisi, and also knight d7 with updo without threatening the knights here, and also ignorance knight f3 with Erigaisi. So it means, so for example, if your knight captured here, challenge with threatening with attacks here, with captured here, and also queen captured knight. So this is a good examples here. Okay, so back there, this one is with more controls, knight f3 with ignorance with avoided here with Erigaisi, and also f6. So this is a good interesting with updo, without bishop with pins, with diagonals, with dark square, with attacks the pawns here with doubles, and also rook fe1, good move with Erigaisi, with that idea with next push e5. So this is a strong move here, and also knight c5 without more pressures here, or maybe without counters attacks the pawns, and also push e5, attacks with more pressures with pawns here, and also another excelente updo is f5, good move. So I will explain here, for example. So why don't we capture, if you capture this f takes e5, so it means if you captured openings with rook, threats the pawns here, and decided is rook captured pawn. So this is a perfect shot without rooks, without threats the queens here. So this is a more examples here. So it means back there, this one is f5, good move with updo, knight d4 with Erigaisi here with pressures with attacks the pawns, or knights with threatening the pawns with bad pawns here, because this is a move side by knight d4 with Erigaisi, and also knight e6 with updo without pressures with attacks the knights, and first is knight captured pawn with Erigaisi with knight takes f5 without idea with threatening the queens with blacks here, and also queen f7. So this is a more differentiate with queen f7. So why knight to f5 without threatening the queen? So it means movement by queens here. So this is a queens behind the rooks with queens threats the knights here. And also the movement with Erigaisi is knight e3. Need more avoided here. So it means why? If you knight e3. So if you knight e3 here, so it means queen captured with pawns with f4. So this is a triple attacks here. So triple enemies with black pieces here. So it means, so first by chooses with updo is knight captured pawns here, and also knight to d5 here. Oh, knight d5, and also with threatening the knights, and also bishop e6. So for example, sir, why don't we knight captured here? So it is okay by knight takes d5, and also captured with knights. So if you queen captured pawns here, and also with queen captured strong move here with pawns. So this is a good examples by determinations here. Okay, so back there, this one with bishop e6 with more differentiate with threatening the knights, and also knight captured with Erigaisi, and also queen takes f4. So this is a more interesting by solid move with up to Satoru, and also rook ad1. So this is a enormous by rook ad1. So this is a more control, so that does not like of this computer engine with rook ad1. So the best move, this one is rook e4, strong move here. So rook e4 with the threatening by queens here. So this is a according by computer engine. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is rook ad1, bad move with Erigaisi, and also rook ad8, or maybe rook ad8. So it means, so need more pressures by challenge by rook to rook. So it means, so for example, so in accept, why don't we try queen captured pawn? So it means queen to queen, and also queen captured accepted with here with white pieces, and also bishop captured. So this is a good once of this computer here. So this is a good advantage examples. Okay, so back there, this one is rook ad8, challenge with rook to rook, in accept by Erigaisi, rook takes, and also bishop c1 with Erigaisi, with more interesting threats the queen. So this is a attacks by eating the queens, and also queen h4. So another So why don't we try queen captured again? Queen takes c4 again. Challenge queen to queen. So if you queen captured, accepted, bishop captured, and also pawn e6 with more pressures here, and also with a strong move, so it means rook e8. So rook e8 with that more of this shield with defense here, and also bishop f4. So bishop f4 with threatening the pawns, and also c6. So c6 here. So if you bishop c7, threatening the pawns, and also pawn to b5 attacks the pawns. If you captured, bishop captured, and also bishop to d6. So this is a good, interesting by examples. So this is a once of this computer here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen h4 with updo, and also rook e4 with Erigaisi with that idea with threatening the queens here. So this is a more rooks defense the queens. And also queen e7 with updo, rook backwards e3, another bad move with Erigaisi. So the best move is queen b3 defense of this double with two connected pass pawn here. And also decided. Okay. So queen b3, so this is a good once of this computer. So this is a slightly better for another from whites here. So it means, so back there, this one is rook backwards e3 here, and also with queen to c5. So this is a more interesting without queens, without threatening the pawns here. So this is a bishop with doubles with queens here, with threatening the pawns, and also with h3 with Erigaisi here, and excelente with updo is rook d4, good move. Without rooks, without threatening the pawns here. So this is a threats the pawns, so this is a dangerous for whites. And also bishop a3. Okay, bishop a3 without idea with bishop threatening the queens here. This is a defense of this rook with defense with bishop here. So this is a more solid move with interesting. And also with another good move is rook d1 check. Oh, rook d1 check, sacrifice. So sacrifice with updo here. And also king f2. So another first puzzle. So what do you think about the best ones of this computer with updo? Finding sacrifice with excelente here. So the first guessing puzzle with master. So I'll waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone with sacrifice excelente rook f1 check. Excelente sacrifice with updo. If you king captured rook, sacrifice first queen captured rook. So this is a more same by rook to rooks here. And also king captured rook, queen captured rook, so no more rooks here. So this is a queen to queen and opposite color bishop here. So this is a slightly opposite color bishop. And also bishop b2 with Erigaisi, queen c5, and also king e2. So it means, so this is the queens with threatening the pawns here, or maybe bishop threatening the pawns here. So it means with king e2 with Erigaisi, bishop captures c4 with check, king d2, and also queen f2 with check with updo, with check with kings, and with more of this one with queens. So how do you move if you openings with challenge with queen to queen here? And also with Erigaisi king c3. So this is a opening challenge queen to queen. In accept by updo queen takes, king takes, and also king f7. So no more by this one with e6 here. So no more by e6. So it means opposite color bishop here. So I love slightly opposite color bishop. So for example, why don't we move if we bishop f1? So this is a diagonals with light square with doubles threats the pawns here. And also with pawn e6 here. So if you pawn e6, if you bishop captured pawns with g2, and also pawn h4. So this is a good, interesting with more controls with examples here. So it means back to this one is king f7 with up 2 and also e6. Oh, if you, so it means king f7 with no more by e6. So it means e6 sacrifice here with check with Erigaisi here. And also king captured sacrifice with up 2, bishop captured. Oh, I forgot something. So it means if you e6 check, if you king captured pawns, so it means continue bishop capture with pawns here. So it means continue king captured pawns and bishop captured pawns. So this is a 3 connected pass pawn versus 4 connected pass pawn here. And also bishop f1 with up 2 without more doubles with threats the diagonals with light square here. And also g3 and also bishop captured h3 and also king c3, king d5 and also king b4 with no more by pressure with kings here. So this is a square root here. And also bishop f1 with up 2, bishop f6 with Erigaisi, c5 with check, and also king b3. Oh, with a good precise here. And also b5 with up 2 without threatening the pawns, captured, bishop captured, and also bishop e7, and also king c6 with up 2, bishop f6 with Erigaisi, bishop e2 with that idea with threatening the need more move by bishop d1 with check, kings here. So this is a king moves here. And also bishop e7 again with Erigaisi, and also b5. Oh, this is a strong move with updo, wins for blacks. Bishop f6 again, and also b4. So with that b4 with updo with that next by king to b5. So this is a next king b5 moves here. And also king a4 without no more by this one with king b5. So this is a movement by king a4 here. And also king b6. Oh my god, with that idea bishop d1 with threatening the mating nets here. So this is a threatening mating nets here. And also bishop d8 check, king a6 with that idea by bishop d1 threatening the mating net here, because this is a upcoming by mating net. And also king b3, no more by threatening mating net. So this is a more of these kings here, so no need by this one by checkmate. And bishop d3, this is a last move with master, so it means resigns by Arjun Erigaisi. So it means Norderbeck Abdusattorov is a champion with masters here. So the score with Erigaisi 89.2 and Abdusattorov 95.4. So it means Master Norderbeck Abdusattorov is a champion. So it means so let's see of this final standing. So later after the challengers. So next up this proceed with challengers between Woodward versus Ayami. So next up this proceed of the second games here. Okay, white pieces with Andy Woodward in USA versus with Netherlands in black pieces, Erwin Ayami in Grandmaster. So it means challengers with last round number 13 in finale here. So d4 by Woodward, knight f6 by Ayami, c4, g6. So it means without move by g6, or maybe without bishop dark square with g7 with plain castling. So it means, so this is the main lines here. So it means this is a move by e6. So this is a main lines here, without queen's gambit decline. So it means with g6 here, king's Indian defense here. And also knight c3 with Woodward, and also pawn d5 without pressure, without attacks the pawns, and also knight f3. It is called by this one with openings with Granfeld defense 3 knights variation. So this is a 3 knights variations here. And also bishop g7 with Ayami without upcoming plain castling, without upcoming castling kingside here. And also h4 strong move without idea with next by h5 sacrifice here. And also capture this pawn with Ayami, and also e4 openings with bishop threats the bad pawns, or maybe next by this one with e5 without threatening the knights. So it means without bishop with threatening the pawns with openings here. And also pawn to c5 with Ayami, and also d5 very strong move with Woodward here. And also B5, very strong move with sacrifice with Ayami, and also H5 sacrifice with Woodward. Without sacrifice with good pawns, and Ayami knight captured pawn, knight takes captured with pawns, and also queen A5 check. So it means queen A5 check, so it means without king check, so it means, wait, but not yet more. So it means this is a not with knight traps here. So it means with more of this go back knight c3 good move with Woodward here. And also knight d7 with Ayami, bishop d2 without defense the knights, and also rook b8 with Ayami without idea, without pressure, attacks with pawn b2 here. And Woodward is rook b1 defends the pawns, bishop a6 with Ayami, and also bishop e2 without upcoming by playing next castling kingside here. And also queen c7 need more go backs with Ayami here, and also queen c2, I mean queen c1, sorry. I'm sorry I got wrong note. So it means queen c1 with Woodward here, and also bishop d4. So this is a novelty with Ayami. So this is a new move in the year of today's 2026. So this is the on main knives with first here with rook to b6 or simplified castling kingside here. So this is a two types by database here. So it means, so the new move by this one is bishop d4. So this is a new move. New move by Ayami here. And also bishop e3. So this is a challenge full with bishop to bishop here, and also bishop captured accepted, queen takes, and also queen f4. So with a queen f4 with a challenge by queen to queen here, and also king d2. So it means, so no need by this one with castling kingside. So this is a more kings Indians here. So this is a king Indians. So I will explain for example. So it means, so why don't we queen captured with queen takes accepted with f4, and also knight captured queen here. So it without threatening the pawns here, and also bishop f1. So this is a according by this one with computer. So this is a goods for examples here. So it means the backdate is king d2. So no need by castling king side. This is a king's Indians here. And also without rook b6. So this is a good precise by Ayami. So this is a more interesting move here. And also rook h4. So this is a strong move. Without idea. Okay. But not yet ready by move. So it means rook h4 without idea. With rook struts the queens here. So this is a targets by queens. And also queen captured accepted with Ayami, king takes, and also knight h f6. So this is a good precise by determinations here. And also e5 with a disturbance with threats the knights, and also g5 with a g5 with a threatening the rooks here. So with a threats the rooks, so this is a more threats here. And also knight captured here. Oh, with a pawn g5 with a sacrifice. So it means knight captured sacrifice here with Woodward. Knight captured, and also knight ge4 without more pressures without attacks the knights, and also knight ed7. So it means ignore. So it means, so for example, so why don't we try if you knight captured here, knight captured. So it means knight takes e4. So knight takes e4 here, and also knight captured here. So knight takes e4, and also bishop to c8. So this is a good examples here. Okay, so after knight ed7 with Ayami, so the second puzzle, what do you think about the ones of this computer? With 15 years old Andy Woodward finding brilliant captured with sacrifice move with 15 years old Grandmaster Andy Woodward. So the second puzzle with challenger, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop captured pawn. Sacrifice. Brilliant. So this is a brilliant sacrifice move here. So this is a brilliant sacrifice move with Andy Woodward here. And also with Rook G8 with a threatening the pawns here. So this is a threats the pawns here. So another, for example, so it means, so why don't we try bishop captured sacrifice? So bishop takes c4 sacrifice here, and also knight captured here with check. So knight takes f6 check here, and also with knight captured. So this is a good, interesting example, solid move here. So this is examples. Okay, so back there, this one is with more controls is rook g8 without pressure, without threatening the attacks with pawn to g2, and also bishop captured, rook takes a6 with Ayami here. So this is a good, interesting here. And also pawn g3 with, because this is a movement by this one with pawn to g3 with no more by captured with rook captured with pawns here. And also knight captured, rook takes, and also rook g5. So this is a more interesting without idea with battery. So this is a battery or maybe without sacrifice here. So I don't know what's the sacrifice. I thought next by this one with battery. So next by battery here. And also rook d1 with more pressures with Woodward, and also rook b6 here without threading the pawn b2, and also b3 with Woodward, and also a6 with Ayami, and also king f3, rook f5 check, and also king g2 with Woodward, and also rook b4 challenge rook to rook, and also ignorance rook e2. Rook e2? Rook e2. It is okay, rook e2 here with ignorance. And also rook e5, another challenge rook to rook, ignorance again with Woodward. So it means, so for example, why don't we try rook captured accepted, and also knight captured rook. If you knight captured rook, and also pawn d6 here, sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice move, and also with push e6. So this is a good, interesting, solid move. So this is a good, slightly advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one, rook c2 with Woodward, and also knight to f6 without idea with pressures with rook threats the pawns. So I think that threats the pawns. If you threats the pawns, or maybe knight captured with pawns here, so this is a next move here. And also knight a4 without pressures, without attacks the pawns, knight captured without more interesting with solid, so does not like of this computer with Ayami. So the best of this occurrency, first rook captured pawns here. Rook takes d5 here. So if you rook captured accepted, and also knight takes d5. So this is a good, slightly better for blacks here. This is a good, slightly better. So back there, this one is knight takes d5 with Ayami, knight captured pawn with Woodward here, and also with rook b6 here. So this is a solid move here with Ayami, knight d3, good move with Woodward, without idea, without threatening the rook, without threats the rooks here, and also rook g5 without below evaluation bar. So this is another bad move with Ayami here. So the best move, this one, is rook f5 here. This is a good, interesting move. So this is according this one by computer, so slightly better for blacks. So back there, this one, rook g5 with Ayami, and also rook c8 check with Woodward, king d7, rook f8 with the pressures attacks the pawns with f7, and also rook d6 check. So this is another third bad move with Ayami. So the best move is rook f4 again. What happened? Rook f5. Sorry, rook f5 again. So rook f5 again is a best of this computer. So I'm sorry, I got wrong notes. So rook f5 is a best move here. So it means, so back there, this one is rook d6 with Ayami here, and so the third puzzle. What do you think about the best of this one? Okay, another excellent. So excellent move here. Continue knight c5 check. Okay, but not yet ready by puzzle. So knight c5 check first here. And also with king c7 here, and also rook c1 with an idea with knight to e4. So knight e4 with openings with rook with check. So it means double with rooks. So double attacks the rooks here. And also knight f4 check. So it means without check with Ayami. So do not captured with knight. So this is a rook pins with check here. So this is a trouble with more controls with kings here. And also with movement is king f3. So this is a good precise move here. And also knight g6 here. And also with move of this excellent knight e4 double. So this is a double with openings with rook with check. So if you rook check here, openings with check, so it means without knights, good move, double with rooks here. So double attacks with rooks. So double attacks. And also with king d7 here, and also rook fc8. Okay, rook fc8. Okay, rook fc8 here. And also rook f5 check, and also king e3, and also rook d1. So this is a many fourth bad move with Ayami here. So this is a does not like of this computer engine here. Okay, so the best move, this one is rook to b6 here. So it means rook b6 is a best move, not rook d1. So this is a once of this computer, so this is a good slightly advantage for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is rook d1. So it means fourth bad move with Ayami. And another excellent with Woodward, rook 1 c7 check, good move with check here, battery. And also king e6, another excellent rook c6 check with good move. King d7, knight c5 check without good move with Woodward. And also rook captured c5 with Ayami, rook captured, and also knight e5. Oh, why? Because this is a rook takes c5 with Ayami, so it means, so this is a with sacrifice. And Woodward rook captured here, and also knight e5. So without more controls with two minor pieces with rooks with Woodward, and knights and rooks with Ayami here. And also last shot rook c1 without challengers, resigns with Erwin Ayami. Why he resigns? Because rook captured accepted, and rook captured. So this is a fatal loss for blacks. So it means Woodward is a champion with challengers. So the score 98.3 with Woodward, 93.2 with Ayami. So the winner with Andy Woodward. Okay, so let's see of this one with last final standings without masters round number 13 here. So this is a last standings here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the pictures here with the final standings with masters. So the first champion with Norderbeck up to Satrov 9 points. And the silver medals here with Grandmaster Javoski Sindarov in same Uzbekistan 8.5 score. And bronze medal by Jordan Van Voores in Netherlands 7.5, and Vincent Kamer, Hans Mok Niemann USA, and Matthias Bulbo in Germany. And also 7 points by Janke Yilgiz Erdogmus. And 6.5 here with Anish Giri in Netherlands, with Gukesh D with India, and Vladimir Fedosev in, I thought Slovenia. So Slovenia here. And next of this picture, so it means 5.5 points with Pragnananda, the older sister of Vaishali with India. And 4.5 by Aravit Chithamboram in India, and Arjun Ergaisi. So the 14th placer, Tai Vangunyan, 3 points. So it means congratulations with top 3 with also masters here with masters. Okay, so next of these challengers with final standings here. Okay, so the winner with Andy Woodward with champion 10 points. And silver medals by super legendary Vasil Ivanchuk 9.5 points. And Aydin Sulaimanli in bronze medal 9 points. And Mark Andrea Morisi in France 8 points. And 7.5 by Grandmaster Bibisar Azarbayeva in Kazakhstan. And 7 points by Young Kid by Faustino Oro in Argentina. And International Master Carissa Yip in USA, and 6.5 by Max Warmerda, and 6 points by Velimir Ivic in Serbia, and also 5.5 by Daniel Yufa in Spain. Next up, this one with 5 points with Erwin Iami in Netherlands, and 4 points by Filimaster Penasar Vedan, and 3.5 score with Lu Miawi International Master, and 14th placer 2.5 by Eileen Roberts. So it means congratulations with top 3 with Andy Woodward, Vasil Ivanchuk, and Aydin Sulaimanli with top 3. Congratulations. So it means, so I will continue with what you call, so it means, so I will continue with Sligo Chess Tournament. So it means Culture Festival 2026 with round number 5 between with Alexandra Prado here. So it means, I hope all this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by subscribe and notification below with YouTube accounts, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.